My Seoul Beauty Club box came in and we're gonna go through it together. First up is from Mary and May, and this is their vegan Ida Benone and Blackberry Complex Serum. Now that's what I'm talking about. Give me a big box, I want a big bottle inside of it. And I like their products, I'm looking forward to trying this. So I got one of these already in one of my boxes and I love it. It's the Ever Moist Lip Balm, and this feels so good on. I actually brought this into the hospital with me whenever I had my surgery. The other one, this new one, is going in my drawer for later. Yay! I have not heard of this one before. Differ and Deeper Sky Watering Cryo Cream Mask. So after you wash your face, you put it on for 15 or 20 minutes and you wash it off. Looking forward to trying that. I've not heard of that brand before. Elixir Vegan Relief Facial Moisturizer. And here's the container. It's vegan relief and it has green tea in it. C Toning Daily Shot, tone up boosting technology. It has niacinamide, vitamin C complex, glutathione, and tone up boosting technology. I've never heard of this. Okay, so why in syringes? Well, first, it looks pretty cool, right? And second, it can tell you how much to do. And because it comes out that way, the whole product doesn't get gross. For example, the influencers who use the dropper and they drop it along their cheek and then they put it in there, anything that was on their cheek is now infused in the whole rest of the serum, and that's gross. With these, it comes out, you put the top bag on it, and you put it on. So it doesn't contaminate the whole rest of it. The last thing are 5 sheet masks. Mindfulness Calming Sheet Mask. Love sheet masks. And I know some people don't. I love these because I can give these away as gifts to people. I can take these whenever I travel pretty easily, and they're just fun. I love using sheet masks. It also comes with a little pamphlet with all the different products. Now, you don't get everything on here. You can curate your selection or they'll curate it for you. This is a lightweight gel cream enriched with green tea extract, hemp seed oil, patented Act Zero, and Centella Asiatica. We know that one. Soothing hydration, reduce redness, and balance sebum without clogging pores. Is lightweight, fast absorbing with 1000 ppm idebione, with the blackberry complex to firm and brighten and strengthen the skin barrier using gentle moisturizing ingredients. The lip one, my favorite lip one. Oh my gosh. Lightweight, non-sticky, long-lasting hydration. It is long-lasting, yeah. Enhances volume and shine, dermatologist tested, powered by advanced Korean skincare technology for a smooth, healthy glow. Soothing sheet mask designed to calm and refresh stressed, sensitive skin, infused with tea tree and lotus extracts to strengthen the skin barrier and support mindful end-of-day self-care. Inspired by K-Beauty spa treatments, this creamy mask delivers long-lasting hydration without drying out over time. It's gentle on skin with no added fragrance and no harsh ingredients. It's a syringe-style daily ampule infused with vitamin C complex, niacinamide, and glutathione, formulated to deliver bright, glowing complexion. Apply 1 ampule shot to face and neck morning and night after cleaning. That's what it tells me. I'm so excited to try them. Have you signed up for the Seoul Beauty Club yet?